What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Kanina. Welcome back to another friendly reminder. Y'all, it is Wednesday. Wednesday, hump day. Happy hump day to all of my viewers. Appreciate you guys for checking me out. Appreciate you guys for liking, subscribing, and checking out the content. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below. Drop a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And cut your notifications on so that you'll know when I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Sometimes it's gonna be like you'll probably get an upload before 12. Sometimes it'll be after 12. I mean, but it's gonna be on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for sure for this channel. And I also have another channel that's Monday, Wednesday, and Friday as well. But I think that's my other. I forgot. But anyway, so y'all, I hope you guys are having a great day today. Hope you guys are having an awesome week so far. We're in the midweek, so I hope you guys are doing great. Hope everything is awesome with you guys and you're achieving your goals and handling your business. You feel me? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into it, and y'all today, since we're still on the manifesting greatness segment of my channel. I'm gonna start doing like different videos though. So maybe like Monday will be manifesting greatness, and Wednesday will be like something else, and then Friday will be something else. And because I have three things, I have like design, graphic design, but I think I'm just gonna well, I don't really know because I have one channel that is my design channel, all things design. So then I have my news channel, which is Conversation Rules the Nation. Then this channel and my reaction channel, which is What the Fuck Happened, WTF or whatever. So anyway, yeah. Anyway, let's get into it though. But anyway, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. In this discussion, we're gonna be talking about creating a budget, creating and following a budget. Manifesting greatness, you gotta understand that, in order to create wealth, you have to, there's different steps of creating wealth, and creating and following a budget should be one of those steps. So let me get my notes here. And so, creating and following a budget is a crucial step towards financial stability and success. So a budget, if you guys don't know what a budget is a financial plan that helps individuals and households manage their income, expenses, and savings effectively. It provides a roadmap for allocating resources, prioritizing financial goals, and making informed spending decisions. So, in this video, we're going to discuss the importance of creating and following a budget, and I'm going to give you guys some practical tips on how to do so. So, like normally, if you want to create a budget, you can write down. All you doing is writing down every the income that comes into your house and every expense, everything that you're spending your income on. So, um, why create a budget? People want to ask. You create a budget for uh financial awareness. Like, creating a budget enhances your financial awareness. It allows you to have a clear understanding of your income and outflows, your income, expenses, and overall financial situation. So by tracking your cash inflows and outflows, you gain valuable insight, into your spending habits and patterns. So, you know, you want to be able to know what you're spending your money on, what's money going to, what is it going on, what is it, what money is coming in, what money is coming out, going out or whatever. You want to know that, if especially if you're the main person that handles all of that, you're the main person that makes those financial decisions. So the next thing on why create a budget is goal setting. So a budget helps you set and prioritize financial goals. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a home, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, a budget provides a framework for allocating resources and working towards these goals systematically. So it helps you identify an area where you can cut back on expenses and redirect funds towards priorities, because sometimes we spend our money on other shit we don't even know. Sometimes we don't know what we're spending our money on unless we're keeping track of it. Sometimes we'll like, if you're the type of person that you check on your monthly statements, you know, if you're that type of person, then you already know. But if you're not that type of person, then you need to set goals. So another reason is expense control. One of the primary benefits of a budget is that it allows you to control your expenses. So by categorizing your expenses and setting limits for each category, you can identify areas of overspending and take corrective actions. So a budget helps you differentiate between needs and wants, allowing you to make conscious spending choices and avoid unnecessary debt. So you want to have something that is going to show you, you know, in writing, what even if it is like a Excel sheet or spreadsheet type thing, if you have it saved on your computer or whatever, then either way, that's fine as well because you're still able to log in, check and see what's going on, what you're spending on, how much money you have left. So the next one would be debt management. A budget is an effective tool for managing and reducing debt. So by allocating a portion of your income towards debt repayment and closely monitoring your expenses, you can develop a systematic plan for paying off your debts. So a budget, it enables you to prioritize high interest debts and accelerate your debt payoff journey. So you should be able to, it helps you to manage and reduce your debt. You know what I'm saying? So it's good to have, to keep track of everything. So, and the next one would be emergency preparedness. So budgeting helps you build an emergency fund. We talked about that in the last video. Well, not the last video, but I think the video before that. So it helps you build an emergency fund, which is crucial for handling unexpected expenses and financial setbacks. So, by setting aside a portion of your income for emergencies, you can create a safety net that provides financial stability and peace of mind. An emergency funds protects you from relying on credit cards or incurring debt when unforeseen circumstances. So, they go hand in hand. Creating a follow budget goes hand in hand with having an emergency fund. Like if you don't have a budget, then how can you add money to your emergency fund? How do you know how much money you are capable of adding to your emergency fund? You're able to add to your emergency fund. Or how will you put that? So another way, another why as to why create a budget would be improve saving habits. Creating a budget cultivates healthy saving habits. So it encourages you to save regularly and consistently by allocating a portion of your income towards saving goals. So whether it's for retirement, education, or a dream vacation, a budget ensures you that you are actively working towards building your financial future. So now we're going to go over some tips for creating and following a budget. So, tips for creating and following a budget. Blah. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to determine your income and expenses. So, if you're going on a monthly budget, right? Okay. So, start by determining your total income from all sources. That's everywhere. If you work for someone, if you have a side hustle, you have alimony, you have child support, whatever. You know, if you have child support coming in, child, make sure you spend that child support on them kids, whatever them kids need. But and outside of that, you know what I'm saying. But that's another video. So you want to determine your total income from all sources. Then list your expenses, including your fixed expenses like rent, mortgage, utility, loan payments. So and variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and transportation, and consider both monthly and occasional expenses. Okay, the second thing you want to do is you want to set goals, set financial goals, you know. So identify your short term DJ, identify your short term and long term financial goals. These can include paying off debt, saving for a down payment, or establishing an emergency fund. Prioritize your goals and assign a time frame for achieving each one. What do you want, boy? Okay, so categorize your expenses. Categorizing your expenses, it will help you gain a clear understanding of your spending patterns. So, common categories include housing, transportation, groceries, dining out, entertainment, utilities, healthcare, and debt repayment. So, be thorough and capture all your expenses to ensure accuracy. So, the next thing you want to do is track and monitor your spending. Keep track of your expenses by using spreadsheets, budgeting software, or mobile apps. Regularly review your spending to see if it aligns with your budgeted amounts. And this will help you identify areas where you need to cut back or make adjustments. The next thing is to allocate your income. So, allocate your income to different categories based on your budgeted amount. You know, start with essential expenses like housing, utilities, and debt payments. Then allocate funds for savings and discretionary spending. So adjust the amounts as needed to ensure they align with your financial goals. The next thing you want to do is prioritize debt repayment. If you have any debt, prioritize their repayment. Allocate extra funds towards high interest debts to reduce interest charges and accelerate your progress towards becoming debt free. Okay. The next thing you want to do is be realistic and flexible. So set realistic expectations, for your budget and be flexible when needed. Life circumstances may change, so an unexpected expense may arise. You never know. So adjust your budget as needed to accommodate these changes, but try to maintain discipline in following your budgeted amounts. So the next thing you want to do is automate savings and payments. Automate your saving contributions and bill payments to ensure consistency and avoid late fees. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account and schedule automatic bill payments for recurring expenses. And the next thing you want to do is seek accountability and support. Share your budgeting goals and progress with a trusted friend, a family member, or a financial advisor. They can provide support, guidance, and accountability, helping you stay motivated and committed to your budget. Okay. And the next and last thing that you must do is regularly review and revise. Okay. Review your budget regularly because things change. Ideally, you want to review it on a month to month basis to evaluate your progress and make adjustments as necessary. So, this allows you to stay on track. It allows you to stay, on track with what you need to get done. It allows you to identify areas of improvement and make sure you celebrate the milestones that you have achieved because that celebration is like, yeah, it's gonna motivate you to keep going. So, with that being said, as a recap, we're gonna, know that creating and following a budget is a vital step towards financial well-being and success. A budget basically provides a roadmap for managing your income, your expenses, and savings effectively. So, by creating this awareness and setting goals, controlling expenses, managing debt, and delivering healthy saving habits, a budget empowers you to take control of your finances, and it helps you build a strong financial foundation. Also helps you achieve your financial aspirations. So, you know, there's nothing wrong with starting a budget. There's nothing wrong with knowing what's going in and out of your house and keeping track of your income and keeping track of the money that you are bringing in and what's going out. So you can start today and, reap the long term benefits of a well planned, well executed budget. They have like if you want to start, you can go to Excel. There's like budgeting templates, budgeting, spreadsheet templates, and it just tells you everything that you need to know. Also, like, I might put one up on my I'll put one up that you guys can download on my website. So I'll put one up, and then you guys can go to the link in the description on my website, or you can click on my banner, and it's gonna take you to my website. And then you'll go there, and to the right there's gonna be a button that you click, and it's gonna say I want to say events. It's gonna say calendars and events. So you can go there, and there's gonna be a place where you can download it for free, or you can like right click and save it to your computer for free. So I'll have that uploaded today. Actually, if you guys want to get it, go ahead and go to my website, and you can check it out. The link is gonna be in the description down below. I think it's the 3T. Yeah, it's gonna be the 3tms.weebly website. So go there and download it. And if you don't want to go there, you can just go to Google one, or set one up in Excel, and go from there. And if you want one to print out, just go ahead and go to my website and print it out. You can right click, save it to your computer, print it out, put the month. If you like to write on things, put the month on it and all that stuff. So, all right. So, and don't forget, you guys, to go click the links below if you need any one-on-one session, the meditation, the business, and to also get the Dirty 30, the book, the Dirty 30 Wealth Guide is down below as well. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys being here with me. Thank you. And I appreciate you guys, and you guys have a great day. And it's your girl Kanina, and I'm out. Peace.